Hi everyone, with another video, and here you can see Lenovo ThinkPad m72q. This is a quite famous model of Lenovo, and here is Asus mini PC. Both are mini PC, but in my previous video I show how you can clean the mini PC for after a long time, maybe 1 year 2 years. Sometimes there's a lot of dust and this temperature go higher, and if your PC temperature will be higher, for sure any device temperature will be higher, no matter it's mobile computer, mini PC or desktop PC. If your temperature will be increased, your component life going to be down, and it can be burned, in some cases also, an effect to motherboard also. So that was Asus PC. Actually is quite, I think it's little, almost the half of the size. uh, yeah, as you can see, if I put it both just like that, hope you can have idea. Let me, okay, here you can see the difference, almost quite small, and the weight also quite low, slightly bigger. But for me personally, I will tell you my experience. This is Asus mini PC Vivo, UN65 U65N or N65U. I hope you can read it on the back. Okay, UN65H. This is Gen 6. But this Asus BIOS, I don't like it. The BIOS have sometime, if you're going to be fast boot or anything, your hard drive have problem. Even I change the hard drive SSD, same thing, sometime it's not so reliable. Honestly, I will not recommend you, if you want to buy mini PC, I don't recommend you go to Asus. Go to two brand only. That's for my top experienced favorite brands. One is Lenovo or Dell, but I will recommend you Dell or Lenovo. Even HP also, the interior is not that solid and not much long lasting, but it's okay, not bad. But for me, I will recommend for Asus laptop is okay, but for mini PCs, I don't know, as my experience is not very good, but it's still working, it's perfect. This is 6th gen U6100U. This is 8100T. So the processor is i3 and i3, both are i3, as you can see here. It's i3 and it's i3 also here, Gen 8. So here even the written also, yeah, Gen 8. So let me show you the model here exactly. So here is the model, and yeah, so what I'm going to do, last time I have complete video for this PC, and even after I clean everything, the performance is still same. But honestly, I don't like it. The performance with the SSD only is good. They have a hard drive option here, but I recommend only for SSD if you have this kind of Asus mini PCs, and the performance still not nice. Slow, sometimes stuck, sometimes I don't know what's happened, even it's worked perfectly. So for me personally, Asus is no for mini PC. Okay, now let's come to the point. And here is the Lenovo ThinkPad, and I'm going to open. And if you want to clean any mini PC, so this is the second video, just need a small tool here. Here you can see all ports. So what we're going to do, just open backside one screw. Okay, let me do the setting straight away. Just press this area to this side, and here everything is come out. Okay, simple. Okay, put it on the side. Now once we open, everything will be something like that. And here the hard drive, I can open or bring out first the connector. Okay, so the cable will be not stretched. As you can see, the cable is out. Now I will just press from here and the hard drive is out already. And now here you can see, because of the dust, the fan is quite dusty. If dust is here, how about the ventilation will be more dirty condition. So what I'm going to do, I have to clean it and repasting again. So yeah, first I'm going to open. So the screws are quite hard actually, but I use just to make them slightly low down. And now I'm going to open it with the small one, because the small first time didn't work because it's already very strong. So yeah, one. So how you have to open this screw, I will show you step by step. This is a number one, number two, and here you can see number three. So when we're going to close also, we have to follow that method. Number one, open from here, and but first thing we have to remove, you can see, just press from here like this, and you can remove the socket for speaker and the fan like this. And now you just open this fan. Simple. You can clean it separately with the brush, and here the screen protector. But what I'm going to do, I want to clean it and repasting it. So actually it's already pasted, but for me I think do repasting might be very old or the first time, so at least yeah. Here you can see actually the paste is still quite fresh, not that old, but it's okay. I will clean and I will start again. So how I will clean it, just take a simple tissue, so here you can see, very simple. Okay, as you can see, it's quite clean already. And here the old paste, actually I can bring the processor, but I don't want to mess up with that. So as you can see, it's perfect, it's clean, and right here even you can read very clear the processor. Okay, so right here I'm going to clean it. So PC, I'm going to put it here on the side because I don't want the dust go inside. And here we can clean with our brush. I'm going to outside and cleaning outside, so you have to wait. Okay, now so this thing is quite clean already, but everything is done here. Only with the brush, no need to wash. But here, fan also I clean already, but inside there's a little bit dust. Hold on, I hope I can show you. There's a dust, and this dust can take more dust actually for the future. For example, if you not clean this dust, I hope Okay, now you can see sometimes you can clean with the brush, but actually the dust on the fins still there. Here you can see. So what I'm going to do, I will take this and I will clean one by one, because it's very important. If this is little dust will stay there, it will catch very quickly again another dust, and it will be, now you can see this area, some area clean and some area is still. So here you can see. So anyway, I'm cleaning one by one, and when ready I will get back to you. So now everything is clear and done so far. As you can see, almost I try my best. I just make a wet the earbud and clean all the fan properly, because these are mini PC, they don't have much options to cleaning. So if there's a dust, another that little dust will catch another dust. Hope you get my point. So now I'm going to put it back everything, but first I have to do the paste. So I'm going to repaste this stuff and put it back. So first thing, I have to put the paste here. We'll take a small paste here. In the middle. It will be spread automatically where it's need. I just want to put it completely here. Okay. Just like that, simple. Don't forget to close the bottle. And here you can see it will be spread automatically. So yeah, I'm going to put it back here. Just slightly, if something. Okay. You can see the paste is down. Yeah. Here I can feel the softness and smoothness. How it's go down, I can feel it. So first I will start from here. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, then again 1, complete, 2, complete, and 3, done. 1, 2, 3. Just a little bit more pressure. Okay, 1 complete, locked, 2 done. Not too, you don't have to make it too hard, it will be automatically stopped. So everything is done here, finish. As you can see, now we're going to put our pen back. Here is 2 marks, so you have to make it like this, simple. And here is the click button, you can see. Don't have to press harder. Yeah, it's go inside perfectly. So now everything is done. Now we're going to the back side. The back side, if you want to upgrade SSD or RAM, already one RAM is here. I want to upgrade here. So yeah, and there is plastic cap. You can just remove like this. You get just put it down like this and very simple, put it back. So now your SSD is installed very well. Actually I put the heatsink. Personally this SSD don't have heatsink, but I just want to make it keep cool down, so that is the one reason. And yeah, I can bring out and I will see first everything work. So now I bring out my heatsink, put it here somewhere, and yeah, so first I'm going to close to see the performance. Here our SSD, RAM, everything installed now. Again simple, put it here, this cable. Okay, just like that, and okay, done. So slightly for me I think, but here you can see one thing I forget here. I bring out the cable and there's a two cables we have to put it back. One is a speaker cable that I remove it, should be back, and another is a fan cable, should be back. So these two cables should be back, and then your hard drive. Now you have to going to close. So don't forget this kind of thing, because sometimes we can forget it and you can fix it like that. It's not very tight, but if I press like this, should be slightly better, but it's not gonna be. Okay, it will be like that. So I'm going to close and I will run it. Okay, everything is done. So our PC is ready, as you can see, and I'm going to on it now. Okay, so now I turn on the PC, and here you can see after connecting all the cable. Okay, so it's going to take the time, so let it be pause here or fast. Okay, so this is the first time after installing SSD. I don't know, my both hard drive actually have window. I don't know which one is detect. So I think the window. So after open, the PC. Let's see the temperature. Okay, so the temperature and performance I put on the same side, and now this is the temperature, and here you can see the system specification. Memory 8 GB, CPU is here, and it's 38, 39, almost 35 to 40 is the normal. If I play game, maximum is 65 to 70, 69, 70 centigrade is a maximum play game, and if no game, then maximum 38, 39. I already tested, and now I just make video just for show you that after repasting, this is the status of the computer. As you can see, it's not going increase, it's just stop. Even for example, I open Opera. Okay, it's already connected to the internet, so you can see a lot of tabs here, still a lot of tabs here, and they are loading. Okay, so here you can see again it's maximum 40 or less than 40, 41, 42, but it's gonna be down soon once loading finish, because currently still. So this is the temperature. If I will be longer, temperature will be up and down, but so far, after using this for at least 1 minute, 2 minutes, if you want to see more, here you can see yeah. So the temperature is now, you can see 42, 43, maximum 45 if it's a little bit low. So there is a many tabs, as you can see, almost 10 tabs open. So yeah, so you have some idea. And gaming is maximum 70 centigrade. Thank you. And now after 5 minutes, as you can see, all tabs is open, everything is here open. And now I'm going to minimize, and I want to show you it stopped after 5 minutes. The temperature is stuck here, 38 centigrade. So this is my PC temperature after repasting, and this is a good temperature, I guess.